So now let's create these two function above here. So I'm going to write future void, and let's copy this name. Draw polyline from origin to destination, lat length, origin lat length, and lat length, destination lat length, and boolean dark theme. And let's make this asynchronous function because we are going to use await. So show dialog context, and in builder we can write build context progress dialog, so let's make this white, and our progress dialog is not showing. Progress dialog, message please wait. Then add a new variable, direction details info equals to await, and we have to call our assistant methods dot obtain origin to destination direction details and send this. We have to add null check here, and here. Okay, we have to write origin lat length, not origin position. Origin lat length and destination lat length. And there is another error, so let's add null check here. And now we can write navigator dot pop context. Then let's add polyline points, p points equals to polyline points, list point let length decoded polyline points result list equals to p points dot decode polyline direction details info dot e points, and add a null check here. And now polyline position coordinates dot clear. So if decoded polyline points result list is not empty, then decoded polyline result list dot for each point let length polyline position coordinates dot add let length point let length dot latitude and point let length dot longitude. After that we can clear our set of polylines. So set of polyline dot clear, add a new set state, polyline equals to polyline color if dark theme, then colors dot amber dot shade 400 or colors dot blue. Polyline ID have to set new ID, so polyline ID. Joint type dot round points polyline coordinates start cap dot round cap and end cap dot round cap, and geodesic to true, and width should be around 5. So this is the width of our polyline, and after that we can write set of polyline dot add polyline. Now let's add let length bounds. So bounds let length. So if origin let length dot latitude is greater than destination let length dot latitude, and origin let length dot longitude is greater than destination lat lang dot longitude, then bounds lat lang equals to lat lang bounds destination lat lang and origin lat lang. Else if origin lat lang dot longitude is greater than destination lat lang dot longitude, so bounds lat lang equals to lat lang bounds lat lang origin lat lang dot latitude destination lat lang dot longitude, and for northeast lat lang destination lat lang dot latitude and origin lat lang dot longitude. Else if origin lat lang dot latitude is greater than destination lat lang dot latitude, then bounds lat lang equals to lat lang bounds so lat lang destination lat lang dot latitude and origin lat lang dot longitude, and here you can write lat lang origin lat lang dot latitude and destination lat lang dot longitude. Else bounds lat lang equals to lat lang bounds origin lat lang and destination lat lang. After that we can animate our camera, so we can write new trip Google Map Controller dot animate camera, animate camera, camera update dot new lat lang bounds and bounds lat lang of around padding 65. Let's add marker and circles. So marker origin marker equals to marker and marker ID origin ID position origin lat lang and icon bitmap descriptor dot default marker with hue bitmap descriptor dot hue green. Let's copy this and paste it one more time for our destination marker. Instead of this origin ID, you can write destination ID, and here also you can write destination latlang, and let's change the color to red. So set state, set of markers dot add origin marker, and set of markers dot add destination marker. Circle origin circle equals to circle ID origin ID. Fill color colors dot green, and radius of around 12, stroke width 3, then stroke color should be colors dot white, and center origin latlang. Now let's copy this one more time for our destination circle. And here we can write destination ID, and here we have to write destination latlang. Set state, set of circle dot add origin circle, and set of circle dot add destination circle. So that's it, our draw polyline from origin to destination function is done. So before we continue, I'm going to write some two step. So step 1 is when driver accepts the user write request, origin latlang equals to driver current location, and destination should be user's pickup location. So destination latlang equals to user pickup location, and then when driver has picked up the user, so that's step 2. Let's write when driver picks up the user in his car, then origin latlang equals to user current location, which will be also the current location of the driver at that time, and destination latlang should be users drop off location, users drop off location. Now let's add a init state, and in init state we are going to write a new function, save assigned driver details to user write request. And here I'm going to add another function which we will implement later. So create driver icon marker. So now let's create this function at first. So I'm just going to copy this and paste it, and then we can write if icon animated marker equals null, then image configuration equals to create local image configuration context size 2 and 2, bitmap descriptor from asset image configuration, images / card.png dot, then value icon animated marker equals to value. Now let's write this function save assigned driver details to user write request. So database reference equals to firebase database dot instance dot ref dot child all write requests dot child widget dot user write request details dot write request id. Then map driver location data map equals to latitude driver current position dot latitude dot toString and longitude driver current position dot longitude dot toString. If database reference dot child driver id is not equals to waiting, then database reference dot child driver location dot set driver location data map, and after that we can set our data status to accepted. So database reference dot child status dot set accepted. Then database reference dot child driver id dot set online driver data dot id. Database reference dot child driver name dot set online driver data dot name. Let's copy this and paste it 2 more times. For driver phone and ratings. Okay, so in our driver data we have to add ratings. So string ratings, and here also this dot ratings. So go back to our new trip screen, and then we can write database reference dot child car underscore details dot set online driver data dot car model dot toString then add online driver data car number dot toString as well, then add a first bracket and then plus online driver data dot car color dot toString plus another closing bracket, and then we can close this. And now we can write save write request id, another function, write request id to driver history. So now before that let's add else flutter toast dot show toast. This ride is already accepted by another driver. Reloading the app. So navigator dot push material page route C splash screen. Now let's create this save ride request ID to driver history. So for that we can write save ride request ID to driver history database reference trips history ref equals to firebase database dot instance dot ref dot child drivers dot child firebase auth dot current user dot uid, add a null check, and then child trips history. Trips history ref dot child widget dot user ride request details dot ride request id dot set to true. So that's it for this video. Now let's create this function above here. So latlang old latlang let's add stream subscription position, not this one. Let's add another stream subscription in our global.dart. So now we have already added that, so let's call this here. So stream subscription driver live position equals to geolocator dot get position stream dot listen. Position driver current position equals to position, and online driver current position equals to position. Latlang latlang live driver position equals to latlang online driver current position dot latitude and online driver current position dot longitude. And after that we can change our marker to marker animating marker equals to marker id animated marker position latlang live driver position icon animated marker info window title this is your position. And set state camera position equals to camera position latlang driver current position zoom around 18 new trip Google Map controller dot animate camera update dot new camera position to camera position. And then you can write set of markers dot remove where element dot marker id dot value equals to animated marker. And then set of markers dot add animating marker. Let's add here latlang old latlang equals to latlang 0 and 0. So now we can write old latlang equals to latlang live driver position, and we can write another function update duration time at real time. And then updating driver location at real time in database. So for that, map driver latlang data map equals to latitude online driver current position dot latitude dot toString and longitude online driver current position dot longitude dot toString, and Firebase database dot instance dot ref dot child all ride requests dot child widget dot user write request details dot write request id dot child driver location dot set driver latlang data map. Let's add another null check here, and now let's write this function: update duration time at real time, and make this asynchronous. So if is request direction details equals false, then is request let's copy this equals to true, and if online driver current position equals null, then return nothing, and variable origin latlang equals to latlang online driver current position dot latitude and online driver current position dot longitude. Var destination latlang and if write request status equals accepted, then destination latlang equals to widget dot user write request details dot origin latlang user pickup location, and else destination latlang equals to widget dot user write request details dot destination latlang var direction information equals to await assistant methods dot obtain origin to destination direction details origin latlang and destination latlang. If direction information not equals to null, then set state duration from origin to destination equals to direction information dot duration text. Is request equals to false. So that's it. Our update duration at real time function is done. So this is what our app looks like after hitting accept on the push notification button. So I'm going to make some changes in the UI design. So UI positioned bottom 0, left 0, and pad and right also 0, and then child padding edge insets dot all 10, and child container decoration box decoration color, if dark theme then colors dot black or colors dot white. Border radius dot circular 20, and box shadow colors dot white. Blur radius 18, spread radius to 0.5, and offset 0.6 and 0.6. After this box decoration, we can add a child padding edge insets dot all to 10, then child column children duration text duration from origin to destination style text style font size to 16, and font weight dot bold. Color dark theme colors dot amber dot shade 400 colors dot black. Here you can see that our text is showing 7 minutes. Now let's add other details one by one. So size box height 10 and divider thickness 1. Colors dot amber dot shade 400 colors dot gray. If dark theme, size box height 10. Now username, let's add username. So main axis alignment dot space between, and children text widget dot user write request details dot username. Now let's make this style, text style, font size, font weight dot bold and font size to 20, and color dark theme colors dot amber dot shade 400 and colors dot black. Icon button, icons dot phone, color if dark theme then colors dot amber dot shade 400 or colors dot black. Then size box of height 10, row children image dot asset images slash origin dot png, width 30 and height 30 as well. Const, let's not add const. So size box width date, expanded container child text widget dot user write request details dot origin address, and style text style font size 16 and color dark theme colors dot amber accent or colors dot black. size box of height 10, then row children image. Let's copy this and paste it here. Instead of origin you can write destination .png, and here you can write destination address. And now after this row we can add another size box of height 10, and then divider thickness to 1, color dark theme, then colors dot amber dot shade 400 or colors dot gray. Add another size box and add an elevated button dot icon. Here you can write icon direction icons dot direction underscore car, and color if dark theme then colors dot black or colors dot white. Size 25. Now label, let's add text and let's add a new to variable of string type here. After this, camera position string button title equals to arrived.